Hello everybody, this is me, my unboxings and fun here today. Today I have a pretty special unboxing, and it is the unboxing of the DJI Spark Fly More combo pack. I purchased this from Amazon for about £579.99. Actually I think it got reduced down from like £800 or something, but I actually saved up months and months for this item, and I was like, finally I got enough money together to actually get this item. I was actually going to save up a bit more to get the DJI Mavic Pro, but I can't wait any longer. I have to get a drone. I want to make some new videos on the channel and get the channel a bit more up and running. So the front of the box, you can just see it says Spark and it says Fly More Combo and DJI, and you can see the little camera there and all the propellers and stuff. And you can see it says Alpine White, as in the colour which I got, and it says www.dji.com. And on this side you can see the DJI logo, and at the back you have some important serial information which I have to blur out because I can't show you. And I think you can like purchase warranty with DJI themselves. I think it costs about £59 for the Spark, and if you're looking at the Mavic and the higher models, you're looking at about 100 plus. So as you can see on the side of the box, it says it has in the box the aircraft body, remote controller, intelligent flight battery, which is 2 intelligent flight batteries, the charger, a battery charging hub, a shoulder bag, a storage box, a micro USB cable, a quick release folding propeller, and also a propeller guard. The battery itself, I think one cost like about £50, and I was actually going to buy the drone on itself for about £500, not £500, about £300, the drone by itself. But I was like, hold on, why am I making that decision? I should just buy the whole thing, the combo, because the battery lasts about 17 minutes on a single flight, which is not enough for me, because if I'm going to fly out for the whole day, it's probably going to take about 4 batteries. So I probably need to buy 2 batteries anyway, but 2 batteries, is more than enough for getting used to the drone and stuff. So yeah. So yeah guys, that's why I decided to get everything, because the £300 model just contains the aircraft body and the remote control, the spare battery, the charging dock, the bag, the storage box, and the guard all has to be purchased apart, which I was like, hold on, why can't I just put £200 more and get it? That's what I did. So I got the £200 and I put it back on, and I got this drone. Anyway guys, that's that, and you can see the serial number information and stuff, and you can see 15 plus, the age is 15 plus, so you can't obviously, I mean, who would know? Like it says 15 plus, but who would know? If you're 12 or 13, you can't still. If you can fly a drone, you can fly a drone. But I would say the first thing to do is just get it, get used to it at home first. And you can see it works with. You can download an app to control the aircraft on Google Play, and also on your iPhone from the App Store. And also it can work with iMovie and Final Cut Pro, which I will probably be using. So thank you for letting me know, guys. Anyway, so I'm just going to show you now what you get inside the box. So I'm just going to get the box open. It's actually sealed. This reminds me of like an Apple sort of seal, and I think that's why I think Apple sells drones, if I'm mistaken or not. I think they do, but it looks like an Apple product. Even like when you go on the DJI's website, you can see like all of their sorry, I'm just gonna take out all of their like support services and stuff. They all have Apple sort of brand, so like they have like a blue shirt, a blue DJI shirt, and it looks like Apple. But anyway, I can't talk too much. I'm just really excited to get this box open and show you guys what's inside. So it comes with a seal here. I'm just gonna open that. I keep thinking I'm breaking it. Okay, I kind of broken it, but anyway. Oh, there's one here. There we go. Very nicely presented. It actually only weighs 2.5 kilograms box, which is amazing. So you can see, guys, what you see inside the box. You have the serial number information, and you have some of the stuff. So I'm going to take out, don't know if I'm supposed to like flip it upside down or, okay, so you have this part here, which is, I think it's the manuals. Wow, I've never seen so much manuals in my life. Look at that. All of these are literally manuals by manuals by manuals. All of this, spark gesture mode, propeller guards, battery hub, remote controller. There's even there's manuals for every single accessory in this box. What the hell? Guys, are you serious? That is weird. I've never seen that in my life. There's so many manuals. And wow, we get this very nice sort of very nice storage box. Is this what they mean by storage box? It feels very nice and premium. There's a serial number in here. If you throw the box away, you still have the serial number on this box. Wow. Okay, guys, this is the drone. It looks so beautiful. Silicone gel. Let's get this out first. So this is the propeller, I'm guessing, yep. So this is your spare, or this is the propeller, which in case one of them gets broken, you have a spare one here. So that's pretty cool, guys. You can see it's how it is, basically. It's very nice. So this is it. Okay, that's what you get in the first compartment of the box. In the other compartment, you still get another propeller. So you get two spare, actually another two. You get four. So you get one on this side, here, and then you get one on this side, which is pretty cool. So it's actually good if you like crash your drone and you like your propellers get lost, you still have this spare one here, which is pretty cool. And you have your battery, so it says charge battery for the first time, and press on and off, and you have to hold it once or something to power it on and stuff. So this is your battery and your serial number information in your battery as well, and it basically just says you have to press it on and off to power it or something. Oh, I think I have to charge it, that's why it's not really doing anything. But yeah, that's the battery, and yep, so I'm just going to put that back in. And the main aircraft, the main appliance is your actual drone. Whoa. Wow. This is your drone, guys. It feels it's made up of very high quality material. Like, you feel it, and the camera as well feels very, very highly made. You can see that, guys. I'm just going to zoom in and just show you a bit more. Look at that. Very, very nice indeed. This drone looks very, very nice. The battery's at the back, and the battery, you don't actually have to plug it in or anything. You just touch it with this pad here on the actual carrot charging thing, I guess, but I'll just show you that anyway. And then, oh, so you just pull it out like that. So you just basically pull it out by just, doing that that action there, and then you just push it back in by, I guess does it click back into place? What does it do? I'm scared as I break it. Okay, that. And then where does the micro SD go into? I'm not too sure. Oh yeah, so it goes into this. So there's a little compartment at the back here. It says Spark, and it goes into here. So you can see it takes like a micro USB cable. I'm just going to zoom into that there. Sorry, guys. So you can see it takes like I think a micro SD card and a micro HDMI cable, which is pretty cool. So yeah, I think this is a bit more portable drone, and a lot of people complain like, oh, you can't fit into your bag because of these of the size of it, and the Mavic, you can fold it up and stuff, and you can put it in your backpack. But guys, why are you gonna have to complain if you can just put it in this thing right here and put this in your bag? I don't understand why people are complaining. So that's a bit ridiculous. And also, if you get the kit, you also get this beautiful, wow, it actually is DJI branded as well. You get this beautiful bag, which has, let's see what you get inside this. I'm so happy that I got the combo. Okay, so you get like a charging cable. So this is your charging cable. What else? Yeah. Ugh. The charging pad. Wow. This looks proper technical, man. I love this. Look how technical that looks. Wow, that looks so nice. This is going to be so nice. I'm going to have a little stuff on my table as well, my drones, and it's going to be just so amazing. Full-time drone flyer now. Full-time drone flyer. And this is this is how you can basically put the Spark in your bag when you're carrying it around. I'm gonna go so many places with my drone, and I'm gonna make a lot of videos on the channel, so just stay tuned to that. But this is the Spark thing, and this is the serial number for the bag as well. I found every single item in DJI has serial numbers and stuff, which is pretty amazing. So let's see what you get again. So you get some chargers. Some charger adapter. You get another charger adapter thingy thing with your charger thing here. You get, what's that? Oh, the Propeller Guards. I'm just going to show you one of them. I'll just rip that open. I'm just going to rip it open like this. I don't want to break any of this. It's just like, anyway, I'm going to show you that. You get your Propeller Guards. So it will guard. So this is mainly used for people who are amateurs and don't really know how to fly drones like me, because this is my first time flying a drone with a camera. Actually, I flew a drone. Like, I fly drones, but I don't really fly drones like this. So this is my first time. So indoors and stuff, you're going to have to be using those Propeller Guards if you want to make sure your drones don't break. And the same thing on this one, on the floor. And then you get your controller. I was like, where's the controller? There it is. There's the controller, guys. Wow. So this is the controller. It feels very ergonomic. It doesn't feel as ergonomic down here. But I guess this opens. There we go. Yeah, okay, so it does open. So it will feel ergonomic when you're, yeah, there we go. So it feels more ergonomic now. And this is the two aerial things where you have to put it up, and then this like signals to your drone. So the controller actually feels pretty nice in your hand. Your phone, I think, fits between here, so when you're like recording and stuff, you can look at your phone and see your footage on your drone, and you can if your drone gets lost, you can just locate your drone. This button, I think, puts it to where you are. The record button, the camera button, your serial number at the back. So yeah, it's pretty much basically the same thing as I just told you. Everything has a serial number in DJI, and it just how it falls away. It falls away so nicely, and you put it on like that. Well, I can't put it on now. I'll just turn it off now. Okay, I want to turn it off now. I just want to. Okay, so I just want to test it out now. Like, this is such a distraction right now, but I want to test it out and like work through it and look at inside how it looks. Like, it's going to protect your drone 100%. I'm so excited. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Mindbox and Fun for more videos like this, and feel free to leave a comment down below if you want more videos on the drone. And yeah, I'll catch you guys later, and have a nice day, and take care, and goodbye. Bye.